If your photos folder looks something like this, then you're wasting your life. Don't worry, I got you covered. In next 90 seconds, I'm going to give you a weapon that will change this digital garbage dump into something like this, perfectly ordered, instantly, no excuses. So this is the old, boring and the stupid way. Let me rename my photos. Vacation photo number 1. Now imagine doing that for 500 more times. This is digital torture. Your time is more valuable than this. Why do you have to do it when your computer can do that for you? Now this is the new way, the smart way. Just a footnote here, to run this script you need a code editor software. Currently I am using Cursor as my code editor software, and you can also download it for free. I will give the link in the description. All you need to do is come down. You just have to touch this line and edit the path here. Give it the path to your messy folder, on which your pictures are, of course. And if you don't know how to get the path, let me show you. To copy the path, press down Shift, right click on the folder, copy as path, go back and paste it here. Before we run this script, just a little explanation here. This is the engine. It rips open each photo file, find its true birthday, exact to the second it was taken, so no guessworks. And we come down, and this is the hammer. It forges new clean names for every image file, move them to their specified folders, and then execute the command. So are you ready to see some magic? Let me show you. Now on the right, this is the folder location I have specified. All you need to do is run. Don't blink. And watch it go. This gives you clean sorted folder. An hour of misery finished in seconds. Now that is power. This channel is not about theory. It's about building a toolkit to automate your life. We build weapons against wasted time. Full code is in the description down below. Copy it, use it. Also comment whether you think this is useful or not. And don't forget to subscribe if you're done with the old way.